What's up, family? This is Big Head Pat. Welcome to Big Head Pat Reviews.
I done been through it all, yeah, yeah. I done been through it all. I done been through it all. Take a walk in my shoes, lace up these maxes if you want to. I done been through it all. Can you handle all the shit that I seen? I had nightmares, I no longer had dreams. I done been through it all. Locked up, sitting behind four walls.
Backstory of my weight loss is that, we went to a family friend house for a housewarming, and she took a picture of her. She's right here. And I was like, man, I do not like how I look in this picture. And I knew that I was getting out of shape, but I didn't know, I didn't know it was that bad. So what I did, I started going to the gym slowly, but I wasn't really motivated. So my wife signed up for bariatric sleeve surgery. You can find that on the Chronicles of KP. My baby just started her channel, and just seeing how motivated she was, she didn't know that I was getting motivated off of her. So that's how my journey started. Chapter 1 of my journey was that I just started eating healthy. I started eating fish, chicken, rice, vegetables. I love broccoli, mixed vegetables like carrots, corn, broccoli. I was eating that. I didn't have no portion control. I was just eating it because, I was still used to eating things such as chili cheese fries, bacon cheeseburger, mozzarella sticks, corned beef sandwiches. Whew, I was grubbing, but I had to stop that. I had to change. So now, I still have a big plate, but all of it's healthy, And as the situation went on, I started slowing down eating, I was eating less. So I lost 20 pounds just in that alone. Just eating healthy, from eating what I was eating to now, that I was like, you know what? The weight started falling off, so I stuck with it. So when I started seeing the progress, I started changing. And that's when chapter 2 came. Chapter 2, I started doing meal prep. I bought these little containers. I bought a big old box of containers from Walmart. And I started just doing 8 ounces of everything. 8 ounces of vegetables, 8 ounces of rice. And I just put 1 or 2 pieces, probably 3 pieces of baked chicken. Probably not 3, probably just 2. And when I did that, it helped me get my eating in order. And some days I would skip lunch and just eat dinner. So at the end of the week, my wife was like, hey, you got some extra food in here, you gotta eat this. I'm like, yes ma'am. I do what I have to do, but I would just some days skip over some certain meals and just go from there. And meal prep helped me drop probably 15 more pounds just off of doing meal prep and going to the gym. I started going to the gym more. I started ordering things. I got Sweet Sweat. Sweet Sweat helped me out so much. It's a gel substance, like a grease, grease. You rub it. I rub it on my midsection, my chest, and I picked this. I have a vest called a Sunlan vest. It's a sauna vest, and I just zip it up. And when I go to the gym, I probably put a shirt or a hoodie on top of that, and I would do supersets. So I would do one workout, jump out of it, do another one. And that kept my heart rate up, and that how Sweet Sweat works is that you keep your heart rate going, keep it moving. That makes your body heat up, make you sweat more. So when I started doing that, I started doing juice with Q. I started drinking those. Get Juice with Q, and she was awesome. I got in contact with her through my cousin Tolan. When I got in touch with my cousin Tolan, he got me in touch with her, and I started buying her drinks. And the ones that she got for a lot of things, I would put her menu here. I put the menu here, but I usually buy the detox and the weight loss. Those, and the drinks have a kick. They're delicious, and they do have a kick. But I usually buy them. I take one of the words in my lunch with my meal prep. I do that. I drink one of those, eat my meal prep. And anything I did, like a protein shake, you can drink a protein shake instead of breakfast, substitute things. You do that, do a protein shake in the morning, eat your lunch with the smoothie, with the juice, because she juices, with the juice, and then eat your dinner with bottled water. And what we did for drinks, because we try to get away from the sugar and the carbs. So what we used to do is go to like a dollar store. We get like a pack of like Hawaiian juice packs. Those things, I put a picture of that right here also. And those juice packs hold like 10. And that right there, they have no sugar, no carbs. They have Sunny D, they have Crush. They have so many that we use. So when we did that, that knocked out sugar, carbs there. Third chapter was keto. Keto was awesome. The only reason I stopped keto because I just didn't feel comfortable eating all that fat. Then if you just like slip up and eat a lot of carbs, you can gain that weight right back and even gain more than what you lost. But I know that I have some dedicated people watching my videos. So when I did keto, I made bacon bun burgers. It was no bun. I just made the buns out of bacon. I basket weaved it, and then after I cooked it, I cut it in half and made my bun. And that's all keto because the burger was all fat. I didn't have no carbs in my burger. I used to make cauliflower rice. My wife makes a great cauliflower chicken fried rice. It's delicious. Eat that. I wanted to try cauliflower mashed potatoes. I haven't tried that yet. You can get a pizza from Walmart. They have a cauliflower crust. So it's a whole cauliflower keto meal right there in itself. Just a piece of cauliflower crust. And it's so good. So it's things, like I said, you can substitute everything. If you like spaghetti, you can get zucchini noodles. Zucchini noodles. You can find a cheap salsa to use. I mean, not cheap salsa, but a salsa with no carbs. You can find that. And I ain't just started, I've probably been doing it for like a month or two. I make wraps. They have wraps at Walmart also. They have no carb. It's like 1 carb. It's like 2 carbs per serving. And I put my Swiss, ham, turkey, lettuce, honey mustard mayo, and that's how you eat them. And they said, but the only reason I stopped doing keto is because keto, I didn't feel comfortable just eating all that fat. And then that's how we got to the final chapter we are in now. That's how we got to the final chapter we are in now. Final chapter is that just no carbs. If you cut carbs out your life, you will lose a lot of weight, hands down. Just carbs. Eat healthy. Like, it's not, I'm telling you, it's nothing better than a salad that's chopped up with cucumbers, lettuce, cucumbers, like carrots, just baked chicken. You chopped up the chicken inside the salad and just a nice ranch. Good salad, You don't need to have carbs. You don't need croutons just to go in your salad. I know they're good, but it's just like this the devil. You need to eat healthy. Eat healthy. That's all it is. Knock out your carbs. I challenge everybody to watch this video. I challenge you. My challenge is knock out carbs for a month. Start your day from the beginning of the month and start from the beginning. No carbs until the end. Like, seriously, stick with it. No carbs. And just see how much weight you lose. You will be shocked to how many calories you lose just by eating no carbs. That means like no sugar, no carbs, none of that. I know, like, before I started working out, I said, man, I need my carbs. I love McDonald's fries. I need the McDonald's fries. I love the mashed potato bowl from Yaya's. They put mashed potatoes, grilled chicken, cheese. Oh my God, that bowl was so good. Subs from Big John, stuff like that. I love those things, but I'm like, if I want to better myself, I gotta change. And like, after you change your eating habits, you get used to eating healthy. Then you like, man, I want me a salad, bro. I don't want that. I want me a salad. Or I used to go like with keto. I go to McDonald's, like, hey, give me a double quarter pounder with no bun. And when I worked there, I'm like, these people weird. Why they eating Big Macs with no buns and stuff like that? Why they just eat it with a bun? Or you can go to freaking on Corona Road. They have a salmon burger that they will wrap in lettuce for you. And that salmon burger is so good. And they have fried green beans. Fried green beans are delicious. And they had a special sauce that goes with them. So that's the thing too. So if anybody got questions, anything you want me to review, such as movies, so I do have a movie review coming. I have It Chapter 2. That's a long movie. I got a review of that coming. I have I'm gonna start my car reviews, and I got some more things. RVs, semis, anything with wheels, I'm going to review them. So just give me a holler, hit me up on Facebook, Patrick L. Patterson Jr. On Instagram, TheKingP, _King_P. Hit me up on there if you want me to review anything, let's say from music to vehicles to anything. And let me know what you would like to see in those things. Like if a car, what do you want me to put in the video for you? So this your boy Big Head Pat. See you later.
Yeah.